In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Form to Wix website. By the end, you'll have your live Google Form embedded directly on a Wix page, so visitors can submit responses without leaving your site. First, open your site in the Wix editor. On the left side of the editor, look for the plus icon, also called Add. This is where you bring new elements onto your page. Click it to open the full list of elements you can add. From that list, find and select Embed Code. This section lets you place custom code or external content inside your site. Next, choose Embed HTML. Wix will drop an HTML widget onto your page and open a settings panel where you can paste code. Now, switch over to your Google Form in the Google Forms editor. Make sure your form is ready for the public. Questions added, required fields set, and any confirmation message customized. In the top right area of the form editor, click the More Actions menu. In the options that appear, select Embed HTML to open the embed settings. Here, you'll see an iframe snippet and fields for width and height. Adjust these to match how you want the form to appear on your page. You can keep the default sizes or set values that better fit your layout. Remember, you can also fine-tune the size later inside Wix, so don't stress about getting it perfect right now. When you're happy, click Copy to grab the entire embed code. Head back to the Wix editor. Click the HTML element you added earlier, and in its settings panel, paste the embed code you just copied. You should see a preview of your Google form appear in the editor. If it doesn't show up right away, give it a moment to load. Click Update to apply the changes. Once updated, you can drag the edges of the HTML element to adjust how the form sits on your page. Align it with your other content and leave enough breathing room so it looks clean and easy to use. A few quick tips as you wrap up. If the form looks cut off, increase the height value in the Wix element or in the embed settings you copied from Google Forms. If you want a wider layout on desktop, expand the element on the canvas. Wix will respect the iframe size. Your form stays connected to Google Forms, so any edits you make there will automatically reflect on your site. And because it's an embed, all responses are still collected in your Google Forms Responses tab, just like usual.